To use one-handed mode on Z Fold 6, start by opening settings, then scroll all the way down until you see advanced features. Then we will scroll down again and look for the one-handed mode, and let's tap on this option. And so we'll turn this on, and we can either turn on the one-handed mode with a gesture, which is where your home button is. You swipe down, so we'll swipe down, and that will use the one-handed mode. So we can move this to the side. This bar here allows us to move up and down. And so if we do that motion again from the center, that will bring back the full screen. And then we have the button where if we double tap the home button, that will reduce the size. And we can resize this one. I was struggling to do this earlier, but you can resize that with that arrow as well.